Hi kids! Welcome to today's lesson, where we're going to learn all about colors. Are you excited? Let's start with some colors you see every day. We'll talk about what they look like, and by the end, you'll be a color expert. Let's start with our three primary colors. These are the colors that we can mix together to make other colors. This is red, like a juicy apple. What other red things can you think of? Maybe a fire truck or a rose. Let's say it together, red. Now, here's yellow, like the bright sun in the sky. Can you think of something yellow? Maybe a banana or a school bus? Say it with me, yellow. And this is blue, like the beautiful sky or a shiny blue car. What blue things do you know? Maybe a bluebird or a blueberry? Say it with me, blue. Let's play a quick game. I'll show you an object and you tell me what color it is. Ready? What color is this apple? That's right, it's red. What about this banana? Yes, it's yellow. And this blueberry? Great, it's blue. Now let's mix our primary colors to make new colors. This is where the magic happens. Look, when we mix red and yellow together, we get orange, like a big round pumpkin or a bright orange. Say it with me, orange. What happens when we mix yellow and blue? We get green, like a green frog. What other green things do you see? Maybe a leaf or a lime. Let's say green. When we mix red and blue, we get purple, like yummy grapes or a balloon. What else is purple? Maybe a butterfly? Say it with me, purple. Now it's your turn. What color do we get when we mix red and yellow? Yes, orange. And how about blue and yellow? That's right, green. Last one. What happens when red and blue mix? Great job, purple. Wow, kids. You've done such a great job learning the primary and secondary colors. But did you know there are even more colors we can explore? Let's dive into some new exciting colors you might see every day. Are you ready? Let's go. This is pink, like a cute pig. What pink things do you know? Maybe some cotton candy or a seashell? Say pink. Here's brown, like chocolate, or maybe a teddy bear is brown.
Can you think of anything else that's brown?
Say brown. This is black, like a black panda. Can you think of anything black? Maybe a black cat or a pair of shoes? Say black. This is gray, like an elephant or a camera. Say gray. Great job, kids! Now you know all about colors. You learned red, yellow, blue, and all the colors in between. Remember to look around your house or outside and find all the colors you've learned today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.